Hi, this is Sulekha Rani, PGT Chemistry Kendra Vidyalaya INS DRONACHARYA. Today I am going to talk about Google Forms, and I will show you how to create a question paper with multiple choice questions, and you can send the link to your students so that they can attend the question in the laptop or using a mobile. So for that, what we need, like every Google application, we need a Gmail ID. So that in that ID, you need to start this particular application, so that whatever we are doing in this data will be stored in this Google Drive. So I started with already a Gmail is open here. So just then go to Google search engine, that is search bar. You can type docs.google.com/forms. So when you're typing, I will tell once again, docs.google.com/forms. So when you're typing that, you will get this window and in which will control by your Gmail ID. So from this we have already some of the templates are here, and I am going to start with the quiz format. So just click on the quiz, or if you have to create a blank one, here this plus sign indicate the blank format. You can new question paper you can create it, and I am planning one quiz program today, that is for multiple choice questions like. So for that I am going to click on the blank quiz. Okay, so when we are clicking on the blank quiz, we will get a page, and this page is you can create a questions one by one. Now today I'm going to prepare a 10 mark question, so I will show you 2-3 questions how to prepare. And if you want 10 mark question, you have to type 10 questions, and if you want for that I will show you some examples, some 5 questions. Whenever we start with this particular question paper, there should be a title of the question. So first you are seeing it 2 tabs. The first tabs, you just click on that blank quiz area. So when you are clicking, that blue color will come. Just go to the backspace. Click on the backspace in your keyboard. You will get a title. You can give a title. So I am going to give a title, MCQ 10th Chemistry, and test number 3, or you can give test number 4. And then from description, you can give form description also. These questions, multiple choice questions. So I'm writing from chapter number, from chapter 1. Okay, and now this is the title of the question, and even you can name our this particular data here in the left corner. A blank piece is there. You can change here also your name of your question paper. So you can type there MCQ first number 4, first 4. Okay. So now our naming is over, naming of this particular question paper. Now I am going to start with the question number 1. Even you can ask the question, not like question number 1, you can write one instruction here, write the name of the student, so that you can see which child is submitted this particular form, name of a student and class. Or you can have one more tab for roll number, like that. You can type here roll number also. If you want, you can type roll number. And here I need a space for that. Space, it is not multiple choice. I need a space for this particular question, because they need to write their name and class. So they we can have a click on this right bar. You can see a small rectangle. If you click on that rectangle, you will get lots of options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox. So for writing the name, and just click on the short answer. So there will be a small space for writing. It is provided to write your child name and the class. Or if you can create one more question with the roll number, it's okay, no problem. And you just click here. There is a tab called required. Just click on that so that this color will come, and you switch on. So this question is required. And I am not going to give any mark for this particular question, so that no need to give any point, because this is only writing the name. Now I am going to start my question paper with the first question. We need the next tab, that is question tab. Before that, here right side you can see a tab. Here you can see a small tools. First one is add question, then import question, then add title and description, add image, add video. So if you want to add image, you can add. If you want to add some videos for reference, based on the video you are giving some questions, you can import, or you can upload here the video. And if based on a picture, you can give questions based on that. And now I am going to add just multiple choice question. So click on this plus. So I will get the another tab, and this tab there is a question area and options area. So generally multiple choice question we are giving 4 options. So just I am writing question number 1. So write number 1, name the product. I'm writing like that. Name the product. Name the product formed while heating, or formed when magnesium ribbon burned in air. This is my question. Name the product formed when magnesium ribbon burned in air. It is based on a chemical reaction. So I need to change the question pattern. Here it is as a short answer. Just click on that rectangular bar, and you will get, you need to select my question as multiple choice. So select multiple choice, and you will get options. So here option number 1. So I can give some options. Magnesium oxide. So add a second option, magnesium hydroxide. And so some more options if you want, just click on that, just add a third option. So here I have a third option. So click on the third option, magnesium carbonate. Or I can write one more option because option number 4 is there, magnesium nitride. Okay, so I added 4 multi options for this particular question, and then 4 options are there. So just verify your question is multiple choice question. And now the next is, you have to give immediate response, because when a child is responding this particular question, clicking on any one of these particular 4 circles. So when they are selecting answer, if the answer is right, the child will get automatically the points. You no need to check manually. For that, you can click on here bottom, answer key is there. Just click on the answer key. This page again will come, and you select your answer. So answer is here magnesium oxide. So I selected. So here you can see a green tab will come. Okay, and here the side points are there. You change 0 to 1, so that when a child is clicking on the right answer, the child will get 1 mark. Okay, then click on done. So we arranged your first question. Now I will show you one more questions, different pattern. Just add one more question. So I am going to write question number 2. Identify type of chemical reaction. So another option I am going to show you with this particular question. What type of reaction you can identify here. So just I'm going to add an image here. So just click on here. There is a square box with the image picture format is there. Just click on that. It will go to our device, and you can upload the picture from your device, from camera, from photos, Google Drive, or Google Direct, Google Image. Surely easy method is you just paste one photo in your device, and you could just browse that particular picture. So I'm going to browse that particular picture in my desktop. So I'll see one of the questions based on. So here I have one picture of lead nitrate on heating. So I will just click on that and just open it. Click on that picture and click open. So the picture will upload here. You can see a blue bar that so picture is uploading here. So my picture came here. This is my question. Identify the type of a reaction. My picture came. So by observing this particular diagram, child should identify what is the type of reaction. So we are not asking a direct question. Here a child need to think and analyze the diagram and observe the diagram. So many skill a child need to do this particular question. So it is somewhat higher order level. So you can have option number 1. So we will give all our type of reaction. So child would identify that combination, decomposition, like that you can add options, displacement. So we have 4 types. So child need to analyze the diagram and tell. So it is not a direct question, but child need to, so they need to apply their knowledge here. Okay, displacement and the double displacement. So your question paper like this, the child, you should give opportunity to a child to rethink in a proper manner on their content. And so I have a 4 question. Like earlier I told, just click on the answer key and you can see the answer key. Just this heating lead nitrate is a decomposition reaction. Just click on that. The green arrow will come. That part will come highlighted as a green color. And we can give this question point just increase as a 1 mark. So I just added 2 questions. And similarly, in the case of chemistry and also if typing like formula typing is not a problem, if it is a problem, you can bring some questions, you can import questions here and click on done. Okay, so here I added similarly, so just one more question. So like this you have a, you can create your question papers. So your question paper, now I created 2 questions and if you want one more question, what to do? Just click on this plus sign, that is add question. Just add one more question so that that tab will come there. You can add a question number 3. You can add a name. What is the color of? Okay, what is the color of the residue? Color of the residue when we are heating, or when we heat when we are heating lead nitrate. Okay, that's so based on. Similarly, you can have 4 options. Yellow, you can give yellow. I have a multiple choice question, so I select the choice. And option number 2, white. Option number 3, brown. Option number 4, I will give this time 4 option as my yellow. And then can give black, white, brown, yellow. Okay, so this is a question, and then you can give again answer key. Answer is yellow, so click on yellow and give point 1 mark. So I created now 3 questions. So here you can see the point, total point is 3. Okay, so 3 mark paper. Similarly, you create 10 question or 20 question like that. So a child will can attend these questions and click on the particular option, and they will get that moment itself. They will can see whether their answer is correct or not. Then after creating like this question, what to do is you can go to the customize theme. You can change the color of this particular format. You can choose an image. Okay, so already some templates are here. Some templates. So I will just work out with some. So my topic is chemistry. So I will just click on the chemistry thing and just insert it. Okay, so my page, when you are seeing that particular question, the child will get, yeah, this is a chemistry question, and you have a very good theme you got it. And if you want to change the color of the background, here you can change the color of the background yellow, and here plus add it, and you can change if I want a blue shade. So I just selected a blue shade, and you can add it and click on the blue shade, so the background came as a blue colored. Okay, like this you can change the background some more dark way. So this is my background. So like this you can change the background color also. Okay, now next thing is you can see the settings. So settings, in general settings, it's okay. We can have the similar thing. And for quiz, you just click on the quiz item, so that here immediately after, so you can see whether this things are on. For example, manual work is possible or not, or the child can see the missed question correct. All this I already gave a tick mark, and because already I created earlier, so these all are if it is not in the tick format, you have to tick it. So and save it. Okay, and after saving, you just go to the preview. Here there is an eye picture is there. Just click on that. You will see your question paper pattern. This is MCQ 10 standard. This is your question, like this. Okay, then come back to the your format. So just back to your question paper. So already now you have to go to a send format. So send it. When you are clicking on the send, whether you want to send it through email, if you have the student's email ID, you can send it to a particular child or one child or two child if you want to send through email, or you can send them link. This is the best option. So you can go to the link. This is the complete link of this, and you can shorten the URL. Okay, so when you shorten the URL, you will get it. Just copy, press Ctrl C, and you will get a copied. And or you can click on copy here. So that will be your link. And take one PDF, one word format, or you can paste it in your your desktop or your data. So I am going to paste here this particular my link. So this is a link for my Google form. Okay, I will keep it here for future reference. Okay, now we will come back to that. I will show you. It's already, I told you, it's already saved in the Google Drive. So when you are going back to your home of your Google form, that question paper will be there. So if you want to send in future, it will be saved here. You can see MCQ test number 4. I will show you one full question paper which I created. This is the MCQ test number test 3. Okay, so this is the question paper, third question which I did. See, first write the name and the student. What is the chemical name of the, like that I created. See, I created some questions. Similarly, you can create some 10 questions and you can save it for future reference also. It will be saved in your Google Drive. It's already here. And now which form I created, this is MCQ test 4. So you can use this for the future reference. Now how to send this in either through a Google Classroom or through Microsoft Team apps. So which app, online application you are using, or through WhatsApp, you just paste this link and just copy this link and paste it in your WhatsApp group, or any Gmail app, or through your Gmail, that is mail ID, or through your Google Classrooms, you can share to your students. They can submit the response. Now how you can verify the response? Just click on the question paper. Here response are there. Okay, responses. So you can see the response. So now, so nobody responded for this particular question paper, so you will see the 0 response here. So and also you can convert it into a PDF format, that Excel format, and you can download the response. Here you can download the response. Just I will show you one question paper which I created. Here, like feedback from chemistry, that is feedback of your online classes. So I can see the 33 students responded from the class. This is the response, and all the students respond. You can have it. So the children are all are happy with the online classes. So because they are giving a very good response. You see, this is each different child responded, and you can download this for your data report. Okay, and here you can download it, your response, download the responses in a CSV, that is you will get an Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the way we are creating Google Forms. So thank you.